Hello everybody, welcome to our Facebook page. Look at this beautiful pattern. Let's make it. So take a square craft paper and start folding it like this. Cut it and you'll get an hexagon shape. Again start folding it from its corners and look, it is almost ready now. Now we are going to fold it like this and look, you'll get a shape like this. Now start folding it like we are doing here and then we are going to make this pattern from all its sides. Flip it and again fold it like we are doing it. Fold it towards the center and look, it is ready. Now we are going to press it like this and make shape. Again flip it and start opening those corners and look, it is ready. Now we are going to tuck all the shapes inside and again start pressing it like this and repeat the process and look, it is ready. We are going to make this flower shaped containers. We are going to fold this craft paper, flip it and cut those corners. Again we are going to fold in and cut the triangular part, open it and you will get an octagon shape. Now we are going to fold it from its sides like this and make a shape like this and look, after that we are going to fold like this and we are going to make a petal like shape by folding these corners. Now flip it upwards like we are doing here and look, it is almost ready. Now gently press it and make a shape like this and look, it is ready. Look at these colorful claws. Let's make it. We are folding a yellow craft paper from its diagonals, then again fold it like this. Fold it again, flip it and tug it inside like we are doing here and make a shape for this and look, it is ready. In this video, we are going to make this very creative indoor game. Let's make it. We are going to fold this craft paper like this. Again fold it from its all sides. Flip it and again fold it like we are doing here. Now we are going to fold it from its corners like this and do the same from all its sides. We are making two space like this. Now fold it in the center like we are doing here. And look, it is almost ready. Now we are going to make multiple folds like this and look, it's done. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like and share with your friends.